byose urabyumva mu Kinyarwanda mu kanya gato nari kureba. There is a sad news. Diogo Jota, Liverpool FC forward and Portuguese national football team player, has died today along with his brother in a car crash. May he rest in peace. Condolences to his family, his friends, and all his fans. Diogo José Teixeira da Silva, professionally known as Diogo Jota, was a Portuguese professional footballer who played as forward or left winger for Liverpool FC. He was born on 4th of December in 1996. He passed away on 3rd of July 2025. He was 28 years old. He passed away in Spain at Zamora. His brother Andre Silva also died in the accident. His brother was 28 years old. He was also a professional footballer. He played in Portuguese in second division in the club named Panafir. The cause of their accident is due to their Lamborghini's left tire, which blew out while overtaking another vehicle and then caught fire. 11 days ago, Jota married his long-term partner Rute Cardoso, with whom he had 3 children. He recently posted pictures on social media of the ceremony, which took place on 22nd of June. Liverpool said they are devastated at the loss of Jota, who they signed from Wolves for 41 million in 2020. In his football career, Jota scored 65 goals in 182 games for Liverpool, helping them to win FA Cup in 2022 and the Premier League in 2022. Jota moved to Wolves from Atletico de Madrid in 2017, initially a season-long time before making the switch permanently, and he went to score 44 goals in 131 appearances across his 3 seasons with the club. Wolves' statement are, "We are heartbroken. The memory he created will never be forgotten. Our hearts go out to the family, friends, and loved one of Diego and his brother." Other football players worldwide also shared their condolences to Diogo Jota and his family, including his national football team teammate Cristiano Ronaldo, Bruno Fernandes, and other players such as Lionel Messi, Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Jr., and many others. May he rest in peace. Condolences to his family, his friends, and all his fans. Uyu munsi hari inkuru y'akababaro. Rutahizamu cyangwa ukina satira izamu w'ikipe ya Liverpool akaba umunyaportugal Diogo Jota yitabye Imana ku myaka 29 ari kumwe na murumuna we nawe ufite imyaka 25 nawe wakinaga umupira w'amaguru mu cyiciro cya kabiri mu gihugu cya Portugal. Bakaba bapfiriye mu gihugu cya Espagne mu gace kitwa Zamora. Impamvu yateye impanuka cyangwa yateye urupfu rwabo ni impanuka y'imodoka yatewe n'iturika ry'ipine igihe bari kugenda mu modoka yabo ya Lamborghini, bityo imodoka yabo ihita ikora impanuka ifata umuriro, bityo irashya ntihagira urokoka. Akaba ari ibintu byababaje abakunzi b'umupira ndetse n'abakurikirana shampiyona y'umupira w'amaguru y'Ubwongereza, yaba amakipe yaciyemo nka FC Porto, Liverpool, Wolves ndetse n'abandi bakinnyi bo ku isi yose barimo Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Bruno Fernandes, Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Jr., Lamine Yamal n'abandi bose bamwifurije iruhuko ridashira we na murumuna we. Aba nakwibutsa ko Diogo Jota yitabye Imana hashize iminsi 11 gusa akoranye ubukwe n'umugore we bari bamaranye igihe kirekire, babyaranye n'abana 3. akaba yari yarasangije inshuti ze cyangwa bamukurikira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ze amafoto ye we n'umugore we bashyingiranywe. Twamwifuriza iruhuko ridashira. Wakoze kubana nanjye, nagusohoka like na subscribe, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.